Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So I was just sitting on the can and I had a thought in my head. Miter joints, they're not very strong because they're end grain and they soak up a lot of wood glue. So I had a thought, why not try to make the miter joint a tongue and groove joint? I don't recall ever seeing this been done on YouTube. I'm sure it has. I have not gone on my phone and checked to see if it's been done yet. So I want to try this and I'm going to do it over on my router table. And to do it, I'm just going to use this tongue and groove router bit set that I got from Freud. And it's a really nice set. I like it. I've done numerous doors with it and it works awesome. So I'm just going to put it into my router table and I'm going to try to route a groove and a tongue in the end of my miter joints. Okay, I'm going to start by cutting the groove first. And I'm just going to lower my bit until I get it roughly in the center. I'm not too concerned about getting it perfect because this is just a test to see if it works. But that looks like it's pretty good. So I have a feeling routering this is going to be a pretty risky move. And to avoid any tear out, I'm going to use a sacrificial block that's going to ride up against my fence and it's going to butt up like this. And I'll push it through and I'm going to hold it real nice and tight and firm and hopefully it works. I think this is going to be a pretty good method and it should avoid any tear out that I might get here. Well, look at that. That worked and it worked flawlessly. It wasn't as bad as I thought it was. So yeah, I'm pretty happy with the results I got from this. And it wasn't as risky as I thought it was. It wasn't too bad. So now let's move on to cutting the tongue. Okay, and that also worked really well. I felt really comfortable routering that. There was not any time where I thought that it was going to get out of control. So let's go see if they fit together. Maybe if I line up the points first and we'll see. So yeah, that turned out fairly well, and I'm pretty sure you put some wood glue in there, that's going to be a fairly strong joint. It's probably stronger than just like a normal tongue and groove joint because you have a lot more surface area when you go on a miter. Now there's a few issues with this, and the first one is there's a lip here, and that is because when I set up the bit for the first time to cut the groove, I didn't bother getting it exactly center. If I had done that, I wouldn't have this lip, so that's on me. The second one is you have this little corner here, and that's something you can trim off after you have it all glued up. And then also I noticed on the inside, there's a hole here. So I'm thinking what you cut off here, you could glue into there and that would fill the hole. Or if you're doing like a panel inside, you know, you wouldn't have to do that because your panel would fit in that groove anyways. So that is it for this video. It's just a short one, but yeah, I just had this thought in my head and I thought, why not just turn the camera on and have you guys follow along? So I hope you enjoyed it, and if you're new to my channel, I encourage you to hit that subscribe button, hit the notification bell so you never miss when I upload a new video, and like always, we'll see you in the next one.